Okay, students, today let us see Cannizzaro reaction mechanism. Aldehydes which do not contain any alpha hydrogen will undergo Cannizzaro reaction, and only in absence of alpha hydrogen undergo Cannizzaro, but in aldol, presence of alpha hydrogen it undergo aldol condensation. So for example, formaldehyde HCHO and benzaldehyde C6H5CHO will undergo self-oxidation and self-reduction. So it is called disproportionation with the concentrated alkali, example sodium hydroxide in 50 percentage. In this reaction, one molecule is oxidized to acid while other molecule is reduced to alcohol. For example, formaldehyde, formaldehyde, 2 formaldehyde, CHO, HCHO. Concentrated or 50 percentage of sodium hydroxide is taken, and this formaldehyde is reduced to alcohol CH3OH. Another molecule of formaldehyde is oxidized to HCOOH formic acid. In presence of sodium hydroxide, we got a salt of formic acid. Benzaldehyde C6H5CHO and plus C6H5CHO. In presence of 50% of the sodium hydroxide, one of the benzaldehyde is reduced to benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH. Another molecule oxidized to give benzoic acid C6H5COOH. So in presence of sodium hydroxide, it produces salt of benzoic acid C6H5COONA called as sodium benzoate. Easy to remember this formula, that is it is used in a daily life. We are using pickles to store the pickles. A food preservative for C6H5COONA is used. So pickle preserver, I mean C6H5COONA is the sodium benzoate. And benzyl alcohol used as a skin ointment. Easy to method remember this formula mechanism. So it undergoes in a 3 steps. First step, the OH minus, it is a nucleophile, attack the carbonyl carbon to form hydroxy alkoxide ion. So C6H5CH double bond O I have written in a structural formula. So when you compare to carbon and oxygen, oxygen electronegativity is 3.5, whereas carbon is 2.5. So it attracts the electron towards itself because of more electronegativity value. So it acquires a plus charge, so that is nucleophile OH minus easily attacks the C plus. So it forms C6H5, CH, OH and O minus hydroxy alkoxide ion. We consider this full structure is 1. So anion 1 acts as a hydride ion donor to the second molecule of aldehyde, because this hydrogen takes the bonded electron towards itself, so then it becomes a hydride ion. That's minus ion is called hydride ion. So each bond contains 2 electrons. So I exhibited this side and this side of 2 electrons. So when this minus will get inside, while this hydrogen will go with the electron. So here another molecule C6H5CH double bond O. This one of the bond is shifted to oxygen. So immediately this hydride ion donor is attacking the second molecule of benzaldehyde. So immediately it produces C6H5COH double bond O as benzoic acid, then C6H5CHC, I mean HO minus benzyl oxide ion. C6H5CH2 is called benzyl group. So a new entry of hydrogen. So a benzyl oxide ion. Benzoic acid is a structure 2, benzyl oxide ion is a structure 3. So in step 3, I am going to take both the structure 2 and structure 3. Step 3, benzyl oxide ion and picks up the acidic proton from benzoic acid to give benzyl alcohol. This is benzyl oxide ion. It picks up the acidic proton. This is acidic proton from benzoic acid to benzyl oxide ion. It transfer immediately, it becomes a benzyl alcohol. Then it becomes C6H5CO minus and double bond O, because when the hydrogen goes, it left the bonded electron and goes. So this lefted bonded I have written as a minus. So it becomes a benzoate ion plus benzyl alcohol. So Cannizzaro reaction is over. Next, let us see the esterification mechanism. So ester formation between carboxylic acid, any carboxylic acid with alcohol gives a ester. It nothing but a fruity odor. So carboxylic acid react with alcohols in presence of mineral acids. Mineral acids are nothing but hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid or nitric acid. So act as a catalyst and form esters. It is in a fruity odor. So now example CH3COOH plus ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. In presence of any one of the mineral acid, it loses water. It becomes CH3COO C2H5 plus H2. CH3COO is called acetate ion with the C2H5, so ethyl acetate. Then step 1, it undergoes protonation of carboxylic acid. So CH3C double bond OH structural formula already I told you. Oxygen atomic number is 8, first nucleus and then first shell 2, next shell is a 6 electron. So out of 6 electron, 2 lone pair of electron and fifth one here it is shared, sixth one it is shared here. So one of the lone pair of electron is shifted to H plus in acid. So what it becomes a protonation. CH3, C double bond O. This O and H is original acetic acid, but this red color H is a new entry of H. So after donation of the lone pair of electron, oxygen becomes a positive. This is called protonation of acid. Next, this attack by the lone pair of electrons on the oxygen of an alcohol to form a tetrahedral intermediate, because here CH3, C double bond O, OH, H. So between carbonyl carbon and oxygen, oxygen attracts the electron, acquires negative charge, and C donated the electron, so it becomes a plus. So easily another molecule of ethyl alcohol is lone pair of alcohol, electron is easily attacking this carbon. So what CH3, CO minus, here OH, H, this side O, H, C2H5. So this diagram, you just see this, just like a shower, the electrons are getting and going out. This minus is getting inside. This bonded electron has come to this oxygen to neutralize after leaving this hydrogen. This bonded electron is donated to H2O plus, it is giving to neutralize. So what this H and this H2O is elimination. Then like the shower of electrons you are getting, so what it is neutralized, this bond is get inside, so it will becomes a double bond. So CH3, COC2H5, double bond O, ethyl acetate after elimination of H plus and the H2O. This H plus is eliminated. This left the bond and goes. So this, while this H2O goes, it takes the bonded electron and going. So this is called ethyl acetate, generally esterification.